Do you feel the vibes?
Welcome to Sewing Trick Pattern. Are you just starting out with tailoring and wondering what tools you need to get started? Well, you're in luck because today we're counting down the top 5 must-have tools for beginner tailors. We have the seam ripper. This tiny tool is a lifesaver when it comes to fixing mistakes or removing old seams. It's easy to use and will save you hours of frustration in the long run. Tape measure. We have the tape measure. This flexible friend will help you take accurate measurements and ensure a perfect fit every time. Sewing scissors. These dedicated scissors will keep your fabric safe from fraying and prevent those pesky snags. Iron and ironing board. These two are essential for crisp, professional-looking finishes. And finally, at number 1, we have the sewing machine. This workhorse will make sewing a breeze and open up endless possibilities for creative projects. And there you have it, the top 5 must-have tools for beginner tailors. Remember, investing in quality tools will pay off in the long run. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more sewing tips and tutorials, such as like and subscribe. Happy sewing, and I'll see you in the next video.